what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, it is my favorite video of the month. It's tea time, guys. So if you've seen this type of video before, you know that it is my monthly Sips by Tea box unboxing. I love tea so much, and this box just fuels my passion. So if you haven't seen any of my previous videos on SIPSBY is a monthly subscription box that they are nice enough to send me each and every month so I can share to you guys. I mostly love every single tea that I get. It's $15 a month. They customize it to you personally based on a quiz that you take at the beginning. I'm gonna link everything down below. I believe there's even a free first box offer in this box, but I don't know if that's good for one person or if it's good for a lot of people, so I'm just gonna link it down there and hope for the best. I do have a code for $5 off your first box as well. You can use the code Megan5. It's linked down below. Everything will be down there. Everything about the teas, all that jazz will be in the description box, so if you want to know more, check there. So without me rambling any further about how amazing this box is, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which who knows when that is, but at least it's been more frequently lately. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. It is open until December 23rd, so go do that. It's a chance to win a lot of free makeup, and why wouldn't you want to sign up for that, honestly? Beats me. Okay, so let's dive right into the box. Alright, you guys, just like every month, you open up the box here and you get your little card. So in here this month, they gave me a Sip Together $15 gift card. This gift card will apply $15 to a first-time Sips by subscription. So it's a 1 month of free tea, basically. You can get a lot of tea in these boxes, so that's a really good deal. So if you're thinking about signing up for this box, I will link this down below. It's the code is Sip Together, so I'll leave that in by my other code for $5 off in the description box, if I didn't already say that. And then under that, they always include their November tea card, or whatever month it is at the time. So this is November teas, and they are made for Megan. I love this every time. I love seeing it. So we get 4 teas in every box, and it ranges. You can select what type of teas you like. I personally like a lot of Earl Grey, but I also want to try a lot of new stuff. So I let them send me something random every month because I am open to learning about the tea world. I'll kind of run through everything that they have included in this month's box, and then we will brew them and taste them a little bit here for us. So, okay, so I say that I'm going to taste the teas, but in all reality, I taste it once and then I chug it. So by the end of the video, I am on such a caffeine high. So like I said, there's 4 teas. The first one is Blue Lady Black Zest Tea. Or it's Blue Lady Black Tea by Zest Tea. And this one is pre-packaged, so you don't have to make it yourself. They do include disposable bags though for you to use. This one, it has coffee level caffeine, so it's the same as drinking a cup of coffee. It's got South Indian black tea, cornflowers, hibiscus, orange peel, lemon, passion fruit flavor, natural caffeine. I'm gonna love this one. I can already tell by the notes of the caffeine that, the notes of the tea, that this one is right up my alley. So let's see what that looks like. It comes in this nice little pre-package here. I'm wondering, how do I do this? Steep for... But is it already pre-packaged? I don't think it's pre-packaged. I think I might have to package it. Is this loose? Sometimes you have to be smarter than the tea. This is not one of those times. Oh, it is pre-packaged. I couldn't feel it in there. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, you guys. If this tea turns out to be blue, I'm going to get so excited. Okay, so we're gonna dip this in. I'm using clear glasses again because also cannot remember where I put all my mugs. So we're doing this, but it does make a nice like way for good colors. Oh, it's not blue, it's like brown. Okay, it would have been cooler if it was blue, but like, that's that. So we're gonna let that steep for 4 minutes while we talk about the other teas. Next up, we have the Republic Chai by the Republic of Tea. And this is just a black tea with cinnamon, orange peel, ginger, cardamom seeds, Chinese star anise, and cloves and black pepper. So this one is really high caffeine, up my alley. I love high caffeine. The more caffeine, the better. Just saying. And this one comes pre-packaged as well. This is what it looks like. I love these cute little packages. I'm gonna rip it up though. Ooh, this one's, do you just kind of pluck it in there or what? Because there's no string on this one. So I think you just kind of, bloop. Is that what you do? Unbleached tea bag, free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. Tea is wealth itself. Place tea bag in a cup for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, well it says just put it in there, so we're gonna do that. So going in, we've got our tea bag. It's just floating on the top there. This one's gonna be hard to get any color vibe from. I love seeing the colors of tea. That's one of my favorite parts. But we're gonna let this kind of float here and steep and see what it does. I think it's gonna be brown though, because most tea is brown. What is this? There's a little thing. A Flower Pot Tea Company sent something along in the box. I bet you this is chocolate. What is that? Definitely not chocolate. I don't know what this is. Is this one of the teas? This is one of the teas. I am so confused. Blooming Bouquet Collection. This one is Powerful Pomegranate. So how do I do it? Tell me how I do the thing. It's a hand-sewn tea bag? Place one bloom into a clear pot or a large glass with boiling water and watch the magic happen. Okay. What magic? I'm so confused. Was I supposed to put this in a tea bag or what? It just looks like a floating ball of stuff. And then, so sorry I didn't really tell you about that tea. I just was kind of perplexed myself. That was a big word for me, so someone give me a high five in the comments. Okay, so that was the Powerful Pomegranate Blooming Tea Sips by Flower Pot Tea. Cool. Still confused about how this works, but comes in a cool little package. All right, and finally the last one here is the Sleeping Tranquilitea. This one's caffeine free. It's supposed to help you sleep, so let's hope that that's not something that happens. It's by Full Leaf Tea Company. It's caffeine free, organic blend. It's a rooibos, valerian root. Oh my gosh, straight out of Game of Thrones. This is now named the Game of Thrones tea. It's got valerian stuff in it. Peppermint, chamomile, lavender. Oh, this is going to put me to sleep. Hope not, because I need to stay up for the next few hours so I can make a pie. Nothing is still happening with this dang tea ball thing. Is the water not hot enough or what? Probably the water not hot enough. Oh well, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I have so many of these around, honestly. Because I keep getting the box, obviously, because, you know, they're nice to me. I don't know why they picked me to have the box, because I'm weird AF with these unboxings, but here we are. All right, we're gonna put, this is what it looks like. I struggle to get things in there, and I don't measure either. I just kind of guess and check. So we're gonna plop our little disposable bag in here and see what happens. Drip, 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 drip. Start coloring the water, my friend. Okay, thanks. Alright, so I think this one has pretty much steeped as much as it can. So again, this is the Zest Tea Blue Lady Tea. So we're gonna try this guy first. So confused by these other teas though. This is a weird tea day. Okay. Smells really good. Not bad. I feel like the kombucha lady when I do that face. You know, from TikTok. It doesn't have a whole lot of taste to it, to be honest. It just kind of tastes like warm, slightly flavored water. But the tea bag is very pretty though. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at the blue little flowers in there. How nice. So this is what the second tea now looks like. It's just like a floating pot in there, but it doesn't seem to be incorporating very well either. So this is that chai tea, the really high caffeinated one. I feel like I want something to like, you know, get it together. All right, so this is a chai tea. Let's taste it. Ooh, cinnamon is strong with this one. Not bad though. I like this kind of tea for when I'm like sick. I feel like it really helps to open up the sinuses. It's a really spicy tea. I like this one. I like that one a lot. Sweet. Oh, this one's gonna be kind of orangey looking. Hi, friend. You're cute. Still don't know what this ball is supposed to be doing. Okay, so chai tea rates high on my list. I don't know what's going on. Like, look at that. It looks like a floating moss ball. Someone in the comments tell me what I'm doing wrong, because that don't look right. All right, last tea is it's the sleepy time tea. Don't know what it's actually called. Probably can find it in here somewhere. Oh yeah. So the last one is the organic sleeping tranquility, with the bunch of like calming things like chamomile and lavender and all of that good stuff. Let's try it. See, look how pretty that is. This smells like NyQuil. That tastes like it would put me to sleep. Not in a good way, but it does. It tastes, oh, the peppermint in there, it tastes like a menthol. Not menthol, like it's peppermint. But it tastes the way that Vapor Rub smells. If that makes sense. Back to this one. I like this one. Alright, you guys, so overall I'm going to go ahead and rate the teas that I got this month. So I'm going to get my card back out. Get out, you little poop. Alright, so in first place, I am putting our Republic Chai, the Republic of Tea. This one was really, really good. I feel like this would be really nice for if you're sick or if you have a cold. It really would help open up your sinuses, I think, but it also has a really good flavor to it, so I definitely recommend this one for sure. And secondly, the Blue Lady Black Tea from Zest Tea. This one's a really nice one. It's got a really easy flavor. Sometimes teas can have a little bit of a weird aftertaste to them, like matcha teas. Those have a very weird aftertaste. But this one seems really, really easy to drink. It might be nice as an iced tea actually as well. So yeah, that's always one to keep in mind too. Again, everything will be linked down below. This one is just a floating moss ball, so that loses. And third, we've got this one right here. This one was that Sleeping Tranquility. Again, this one just had a weird, like, aftertaste. But I think it would do a really good job of helping you calm down and get to sleep. It does have that kind of calming factor to it. I definitely noticed that. So if you're interested in that kind of tea, this one will be that for you. So yeah, those are all my teas this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love filming this video every month. I get to try so many new teas and I get to share them with you. So if you're interested, make sure you check that description box down below and get all the information you need and go take your own personal tea quiz. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.